political ads like that. You know, like, are you tired of living in the dumpster fire that is California in 2021? You know, Facebook may strike that for being against its community standards. But I think the other thing that you could do, you talk about videos, you could do an entire video channel, you know, devoted to moving from X to Y, right? You could go old school, you know, like pure direct response marketing. Gene, you and I would love this, which is, you know, seven questions to ask if you're moving from San Diego to Tampa.
Yeah, it's a good
You know what
one.
I'm saying? Like straight up. And then just slightly alter that for the different cities. You know, like, hey, if you're used to this, like, hey, if these are your favorite restaurants, we've got these are your Tampa equivalents. If you like this part of San Diego, you'll love this part of Clearwater. You know, like that, those sorts of things. It's not that hard to put together. You can definitely put it together into video form, but it would be really, really good to have something that you can offer somebody that gets them into your email list.